Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to help you kickstart your journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Now I know AI might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's not as complex as it seems. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to start exploring AI on your own. First things first. What exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI is the ability of a machine to mimic human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, understanding language, and even recognizing patterns. AI is everywhere, from your smartphone's voice assistant to recommendations on streaming services. So, why not dive in and learn how it works? Step 1. Start with the basics. I recommend beginning with some online courses. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer fantastic introductory courses on AI and machine learning. These courses are often free or very affordable and are designed with beginners in mind. You'll learn fundamental concepts like algorithms, data structures, and the basics of programming. Speaking of programming, you'll want to get comfortable with coding. Python is the go-to language for AI and machine learning because it's easy to learn and has a great community. If you're new to Python, check out resources like Codecademy or Free Code Camp to get started. Trust me, a little bit of coding each day goes a long way, once you've got the basics down. It's time to get your hands dirty with some practical projects. Try building a simple chatbot, or maybe a program to predict stock prices using historical data. Websites like Kaggle host datasets and competitions which are perfect for beginners to practice and learn. Plus, you can see how others tackle the same problems, which is a great way to learn different approaches. Next up, join communities. Being part of a learning community can really accelerate your progress. Websites like Stack Overflow, Reddit's R Machine Learning, or even local meetup groups are perfect places to ask questions, share knowledge, and stay motivated. Don't be shy, everyone starts somewhere and the AI community is generally very welcoming. And finally, keep learning and stay curious. AI is a rapidly evolving field and there's always something new to discover. Follow AI news, read research papers, and watch tutorials on YouTube. Channels like Tech with Tim, Simply Learn, and Siraj Raval offer fantastic content that's both educational and entertaining. So, there you have it. A roadmap to kickstart your AI journey today. Remember, the most important thing is to start. Take that first step, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you can learn and grow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some essential AI tools for beginners. TensorFlow and Keras are powerful libraries for building and training neural networks. They are user-friendly and have extensive documentation. PyTorch is another great library known for its flexibility and ease of use, especially for research and development. Google Colab is a free cloud service that allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser, making it perfect for experimenting with AI without needing a powerful computer. These tools can help you get started with AI projects quickly and efficiently. Happy learning!